In March 2022, history was made when a huge Boeing 737 landed in Antarctica. The massive airplane weighs 80,000 kilograms, and landing it on a glacier is a big feat. Antarctica is now becoming a famous destination for airplanes. There are no actual airports in Antarctica, nor are there any scheduled airline services. However, 15 out of 50 landing strips do have runways for fixed-wing aircrafts. These strips are made out of blue ice or compacted snow for smooth landing. Aircrafts like C-130 and C-17 cargo planes are commonly used by the militaries for Antarctica. In 2021, a Boeing 767 also flew to the isolated continent to drop researchers at the Norwegian Polar Institute Stroll Research Station. To prepare the temporary runway on the ice, the surface is carved by special equipments. This is done in order to provide a better grip during braking. While the blue ice looks absolutely gorgeous, it can also be concerning for pilots because of its glare. So in order to combat this, the pilots wear special eyewear. Seeing a behemoth airplane land on the icy surface is nothing short of a miracle. Now that the world's biggest airplanes have landed there, is Antarctica going to be commercialized next? Tell us in the comments below.